This is one out of many tutorials that is to be posted to the backup channel for computer science videos. In this tutorial, the question is how to access spam for Gmail using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. In this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, an account for Google, Gmail, and some spam that could be in the spam inbox. We can start the tutorial. So now let's go down to the dock, go to Launchpad, go to the alternative web browser, Google Chrome, search for this, enter to open up the alternative web browser, wait for that to load. Once it is loaded, now let's go to the shortcut to Gmail, and then make sure that you are signed into the account. Now let's go to the left hand side navigation menu. Beneath inbox, we have more. Click on this, that will take us to spam. Once we click on here, this is all the jargon that we are not expecting, but this somehow sits in the spam inbox, and then messages that have been in the spam for more than 30 days will be automatically deleted. However, let's now delete all spam messages now to save that automation. Click on OK, spam all deleted. Hooray, no spam here, that's okay. Let's now quit Google Chrome. After that's over this video, I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.